Alright, today is December 1st, 2023. Our first starter job on a 2000 Tahoe Z71, which comes with the 1999 body style, 5.7 liter. We're gonna start it for the first time. You ready, James?
Yeah, today.
No, you ready?
I'm ready.
Alright, James did the work. Young was just a helper. Here we go, 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh! I see smiles. It starts. And let's turn it off. Let's start it again.
It's okay.
Wow.
So sweet, right?
Yeah. All right, it really ran.
Put them up and then spray the foam on that, and then we put the light, everything.
You got it?
You got it. Go.
All right, let's talk about this. So the first thing you do is take off the negative battery post. It's 8mm. Then let's shine the light over here, James. Let's get the people to figure out what to do, even though there's like a million videos on this. Then what do you need to do? Well, you need to take the tire off?
You don't have to take a tire off, but we did.
Okay. If you do this on the ground, would it be easier with the tire off, or it makes no difference with the tire?
I don't think it will make much difference, but I mean, you have more light, you can see more room to wiggle around.
Because people are like taking this off to see in there. Not really. Okay, don't take the tire off. And then, first thing is the two wires.
And then you have to take the key light out with the 8mm.
Okay, the small ones. You take the big one first, right?
You take the big one first.
Which
so
is
you get more room, which
13mm.
13mm, yes.
Same as ½ inch.
Yep.
Then you take the smaller one,
You put the small one out.
which is 8mm.
Yes.
And then what's the next?
And then you take the two. You take the two 40mm bolt out.
Okay, and then once that happens, it's loose, right? It's on the ground.
Yes.
Okay, then you take it, and now it's on the ground. Then you have to transfer something.
You have to take
The heat shield?
the heat shield off. Yes.
Yeah, there's heat shields on there already.
Which is right here on top.
All right. And then what are the tools we use?
The two we have the impact.
Yeah, we use
the impact one for the 14
to go out,
to get it out.
and we use the
And
smaller
then-
one to go in.
The small one we usually eat when we tied it up.
Okay.
And we need to do it to 32 pounds.
33 foot-pounds,
Yeah.
which I just winged it here.
Right?
Yep.
And for the 18 for the 8mm and the
8mm. Okay.
13mm, you should have the small one.
You need extender.
Yeah, we need some extenders for the 8mm. We need the extender.
Okay. And then we use
And-
these other extenders.
Yes.
All right. And we use this extender here for the.
We don't use that at all.
Okay.
Oh, you did extenders when you do the 40mm.
Yeah.
On the inside board.
Yep. So depending if you're working with ½ inch or 3/4, this is called 3/4. This is ½ inch. You may need some random extenders. And then that's all we did, and it works. And then we also bench tested while it was on the ground.
Yeah.
So where is the one?
Yeah.
Let's show people how to bench test it.
Over here.
Yeah. So let's go find my.
We go and get the battery pack.
Yeah. Oh wait, we'll make another video for the jumping. All right, here, just hold the video. Let's just do it together. So people can test this before they put it in the car. Let me get my battery pack. So it's good to jump this while it's on the ground before you stick it in the car and find out it doesn't work. That'll be all the effort to find out it doesn't work. You can also diagnose your problem if you understand how to jump it. So this whole thing is a motor. This motor needs to come out and then needs to spin. To get that to happen, there's this solenoid and then the big motor. So this big motor needs 12 volts and it needs ground. So there's my ground, the big motor. Then the big motor needs 12 volts to go into here, but then if you connect it like that, it will always spin. So it has to go through a switch. So what you do is you go like this, like that. So now the 12 volts, the heavy 12 volt is waiting here, and it wants to get across. It won't get across until this guy gets 12 volts. Once this guy gets 12 volts, it will do two things. It'll push the thing out and it'll also make a connection into these two. So that's what we're gonna do. And then if you turn your car, it goes kunk, 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 and it doesn't start. And then you find out that if you go to your battery and you jump this thing, and this thing does start, then it's not this problem. It's somewhere in the wiring of this thing. That means that if you jumped it directly, it didn't work, then that's actually a bigger headache. But if you jump it right here, it doesn't start, then you know your solenoid is bad. So it's good that you can jump it and it doesn't start. So that's a better situation. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna grab 12 volts from here.
Can you hold it?
And then once it comes alive, it's gonna spin kind of hard. So now I'm gonna activate my battery pack. Okay, we have 12 volts. Now we're gonna jump it and you'll see this thing jump out. This thing will jump out. 1, 2, and 3.
It doesn't jump out.
It jump out,
It doesn't.
but it doesn't spin.
Oh yeah, it jump out.
Oh, see? It's so powerful. Whoa, there's a dog here. Hi, baby. Look, this is getting hot over here. Getting cherry hot. But I saw some sparks here.
You see some what?
Spark.
Okay, are you done?
Oh, so here's my problem right here. This is why it didn't work. This is loose.
Okay.
So this is my main problem why my car wants to work and doesn't want to work. So my starter wasn't bad.
Mm-hmm.
You see this right here?
Tied it. Can we turn it off?
Yeah, so basically I just saw a lot of heat right here. And so the problem was right there.
Let's
See?
turn it off and tied it, right? Are we done?
Yeah, we're done.
Let's tied it up.